Anastasia Beverly Anastasia Beverly Hills. Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this was my review regarding my products. I hope you guys like my Pep Plus Priming Fix It Pink Light. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to review my shopping which I did 2 days back during the UAE National Day promotion. I'm shooting this video on 2nd December and it is the UAE National Day, 49th UAE National Day in 2020. So there is a huge promotion going on each product. So I thought to take advantage of some beauty products which I was looking for to buy since long time. I was not planning to make any video on this shopping, but when I posted some of the pictures on my Instagram and I started getting the questions from my friends and followers regarding these products, like from where did I buy this product and what is the review for this product and which shade did you buy and all this kind of questions. So I thought to make one short video which will give you the brief regarding the products and the brands. So basically I went to buy Huda Beauty products. I thought it's a good time to buy Huda Beauty because there is a huge offer on that, buy one get one or 50% off or 30% off. So I went there to buy this Huda Beauty foundation and concealer, but since I was so late, this promotion started in November first week and I just started searching the products, so it was out of stock, the shade and quality which I was looking for. So I thought to give a chance to some other brands which I have never explored before. So I did some shopping from MAC Cosmetics, Inglot and Beverly Hills. So first I will start with the MAC Cosmetics. In MAC Cosmetics there was an offer 30% off. So I first picked this fixing spray, that is Prep Plus Prime Fixing Spray, which is I think almost you all are aware about this setting spray which you can use before applying the makeup and after applying the makeup. That will keep your makeup intact for longer period of time, and usually the price is 100 dirhams, but in offer I got it for 70 dirhams. So if you are looking for INR, then whatever prices I am mentioning in AED or dirhams, you can convert it into INR by multiplying with 20. So it's a 1400 INR for this spray. I think it's worth to buy this for 70 dirham because I went thrice to buy this product and always I was thinking to spend 100 dirham or not, but then this was in offer, so I thought to give a chance for this product. It is must to buy because it is required anytime when you are applying a makeup and you are going out for 4 to 5 hours. You definitely need a fixation spray that will keep your makeup intact for longer time. So it's worth to buy. I will suggest this to buy if you are getting at any discounted rate. It is for oily skin and it has a glittery look also. So right now I have applied the same on my face also. I am wearing shade number 617 today. It's a matte lipstick and in offer I got it for 30% discount, so it's almost around 66 dirham each. But I would not prefer, if you are going to buy any matte lipstick for long lasting, you are looking for any long lasting matte lipstick, then this is not suitable because it will easily go off. So it's not worth to spend this much on matte lipstick of MAC. But when we talk about the shade, there are good range of shades which you can get there, and definitely it gives a good look when you are applying it on your lips. So if you have other option, then you can go for it, otherwise you can buy this shades also, no problem. Then fourth item I bought from there is MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. So this mascara also I am wearing right now. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not, but yes, this mascara, it's not so good, it's not so bad. It looks like this. So it gives good coverage, outrageous lashes, but when you are going to apply it on your lower lashes, it will be messed up. Because I don't know about others, but when I tried to apply it on my lower lashes, it was smudged too much, and it was very time taking to apply it on lower lashes. It is not easy to go mascara, I would say. And this was also for 100 dirhams, and I got it for 70 dirhams. So basically all items were having 30% off in MAC Cosmetics. So if you are looking for any particular item from MAC, you can go and get it. It's a good time to buy till 5th December. I think it's overall promotion in UAE, and in India also you can get it at a good rate whenever there is a promotion for Indian festivals. Next is Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. This I bought from Sephora store. As I said that I wanted to buy some Huda products, but I did not get that product, so I opted for this Anastasia Beverly Hills. On that also there was a promotion. It is the original price for this bronzer is 162, and I had a 50% discount, so I got it for 81 dirhams. Packing is good, and you can see like this is the bronzer box. It looks like this, and it comes with small mirror, so you can carry it anywhere, and it's easy to apply. I created this look using whatever products I bought last week, so you can see the effects of bronzer also here, and it's good. If you are getting it in a discounted rate, then it's good. It's worth to buy. This is the bronzer in powder form, so you can use it on oily skin also, and it can be used as a contour also. So in both ways you can use this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. So it's worth to buy when you are getting in a promotion. The third brand which I visited was Inglot. So I was not thinking to buy any product from Inglot, but at last I saw this outlet in the mall, and I thought to just check the products, what collection they have, and I came across this foundation. It's HT Perfect Cover Up Foundation, and I bought shade number 76. They had a promotion, buy one get one free. Usually Inglot products are so expensive. Like this was for 200 dirhams, and since they had a promotion, buy one get one free, so I thought to buy one product of Inglot as well. It's a vegan product actually, so there is no animal harm included in this products of Inglot, and it has a good market review that these products are very good for the skin, and it does not have any side effects on the skin. So ingredients which are used in these products are too highly expensive. It's worth to spend this much on brand if you are really looking to taking care of your skin. So this is the foundation I bought, Inglot, shade number 76. Since there was a promotion, buy one get one free, I was looking for one concealer also, because I was thinking to buy concealer and foundation both from the same brands and check the result, how it performs. But then there was one lady in this counter, there was one African lady actually in the counter, and she was very nice. She advised me not to go for a concealer since I don't have that much dark circle which requires lots of concealer. So you can, rather than going for expensive concealer, you can go for a cream which they have for the oily skin. Then I also thought that I might not buy any expensive cream in future just as a moisturizer. This cream was also for 197 dirhams, and I got free with this foundation, so I thought to give a chance to that cream instead of going for a concealer for this much expensive brand. So this is the cream which I am talking about. It's Evermatte Day Protection Face Cream. So basically you have to apply this cream before applying your makeup as a moisturizer. It will give totally matte finish to your face, and it will keep your skin hydrating. So it's a great combination for oily skin, which helps to control the oil, plus it keeps your skin hydrating, and it also helps to minimize the pores and tighten the skin. So I used this cream twice or thrice during these 2-3 days, and I was very satisfied with the result of this cream. This combination is really good. I never thought that I will get this kind of combination at this much. For 200 dirham I got the foundation plus this cream. This two combination is really good, and it's very rare. So if you get any by any chance, if you get any promotion in Inglot, you should go for this foundation plus this cream. It gives the full coverage. It means it's very light. When you are applying on your face, you will not feel that you have applied any product on your face, but still it will cover all your blemishes and any acne. So right now I am wearing the same foundation, but it looks like that you are not wearing any makeup, but still people will think that what she has applied on her face, how it looks so clean. So this kind of look it can definitely give you. So yes, if you are looking for a good foundation, you can go for Inglot also if there is any good promotion going on. So at last I bought the brushes also. Actually I was thinking to buy some brushes for my eye and face makeup also. I have some brushes right now, but still I was looking for a particular brush. So but then it's always expensive when you buy any product without any promotion. So I dropped the idea before to buy any brushes, but then I came across one store in local market that is also a good store. You can buy such products from the local market also. It's no need to buy always from a mall. So I bought these brushes from Forever 52 in local market, and see you can and these 4 brushes I got for like 100 dirhams. It was a great deal that I got it for 100 dirhams, 4 brushes, and it's really worth because it will make your makeup work very easy. When you are using proper brush, then it will make your makeup it will enhance your makeup skill simply. So this is the first brush, which is for eyebrow. I don't know is it visible or not. I use this brush to create my eyebrow today. Also you can use it for your eyeliner. If you don't have any particular brush for the eyeliner, you can use this for gel eyeliner. Second one is for eyeliner only. This brush, it is angled brush. You can see it's angled one. So if you are not so much professional, or you are just a beginner, you don't know how to draw your eyeliner, you can simply use this kind of angled brush. You can dip this into gel eyeliner and then start applying like this. So it will give you full support to draw a straight line and thin line as well. So yes, it is also super easy to use. Then these 2 brushes I bought for foundation and for contour. So if you are a beginner and you don't have too much makeup products and you are looking to buy some makeup products and you makeup accessories, so then you can go for these 4 brushes. I will show you this brush. I just used it today, so that is why there is some foundation on it. You can see the brush is here. It's very thick, so when you are using it on your face to spread your foundation, it will give you very clear and single base. Then there is a contour brush. If you will see this brush, this is slightly slanted brush. So whenever you want to apply your contour, you just dip into the contour, or you just put the drop of contour on this brush, and then you have to apply like this. You don't need any professional trick to apply your foundation or contour when you have such kind of brushes in your hand. Alright friends, so this was my review regarding my shopping which I did during the promotion from different brands, and I have done this makeup today by using all these products which I showed you, like Inglot foundation, then MAC lipsticks, then setting spray, MAC setting spray, then MAC mascara, and bronzer from Beverly Hills. So this is how it looks. If you are opting for a nude makeup look, you can definitely go for this combinations of bronzer and foundation, and it will give you a very good look at the end. So if you like this review and my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notification. Also leave your feedbacks in comment section. So I'll come with more videos in next time.